Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Oil and Break. Today I'm working on a Subaru Forester 2016. Today I'm replacing a wheel stud. Uh, as you see, this is totally get bad, and I'm going to replace. First of all, you have to remove the tire. Then we're gonna remove the caliper, and I'll show you step by step how to replace the wheel stud. So stay tuned. So I already took 14 millimeter bolt on a caliper, and I put the caliper right over here. So basically one here, and now I'm removing the caliper bracket. You have to remove this one. That's also 14 millimeter, and the one is right over here. Okay, I added a little bit loose, and one here. So I'm removing this one. Once I remove this, I'll let you know what is the next step. So after you remove the caliper bracket, you have to remove this rotor. Most of the time is stuck, and you have to hit with the hammer right on the spot. You can hit hard to release the rotor. So I hit 2-3 times to remove this one. Now we have to remove the stud. We're gonna hit start from here to remove the stud from inside. I'll show you what step we have to take. Alright, okay, so before we hit the stud from here, I'm going to show you have to make an angle right over here, because there is a space. So once you hit the stud, that goes with that space, so you can easily after remove this one. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna remove this one. Okay. This one, now it's almost over there, but it's still sticking inside. So now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna take this out. Okay, I got the easy way. Once you rotate on this side, you will see the space where you have get enough clearance. You see that? Okay, now I easily remove this one. Now I'm gonna insert the new one. Hold on a minute, let me set the camera so you guys can see. I'm gonna put this one first. and get from here. You see. Okay, now I'll show you which tool we have to use to install this one. So basically this is a tool we're gonna use to install stud. There's a bearing behind. We're gonna install right over here, and I'm gonna put the lug nut right over here. Okay, you see that? Still there. So I'm gonna use an impact gun. Okay, now I'm gonna use the impact gun. Okay, just keep going little by little. Almost. Yeah.
Can I ask you a question?
Okay, so it's done. So after install, you have to make sure it's flush, so it doesn't have a so this one is totally completely flush. So now it's time to install, and you can install all these things, the routers and a caliper in a reverse pattern. And I hope you like my video. If you like it, please thumbs up, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to see my coming videos, and don't forget to click on a bell icon to get a notification for the new videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and if you have any things to know, please comment below. I'll try to answer all your questions. Thank you.